how to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money by selling digital printable gift tags on Etsy. So let's get started by typing etsy.com in the search. And here I'm going to show you some examples of this product, examples of printable gift tags. So here let's type the name of the product and let's click on search. And after I show you the examples, I'm going to take you to a platform which we will use as a spying tool on the shops on Etsy to see what's working and what's not, what's making money and what's not, and also to decide which product we are going to work on and which product we are going to not work on, and all of those sort of things. So here let's wait for it to complete loading. Then we will choose a popular now product, which is a trending product. So here let's wait for it to complete loading. We have here Etsy's pick and we have the popular now product, and if you scroll down you will find another popular now product here. So let's choose this one here, which costs $3.29. So let's choose this one here. And guys, the thing is, I like digital products for one reason and one reason only, is that you won't need to deal with any of the problems that the sellers of the physical products deal with. For example, we have the refunds and returns, we have the time of delivering. If it's late, the client will cancel his order. And also you will have to deal with, or you will have to look for companies that can deliver fast, that can deliver your packages fast. And also you have to pay for a lot of fees, the fees of shipping, the fees of packaging the product as well, the fees of restoring your product, and all of those sort of things. But in digital products here, you'll just create your product, list it on Etsy, and whenever the client buys the product, he will get his product immediately, and you won't need to deal with any of the returns or refunds or anything like that. So here I'm going to take you to, but first let's read the terms of use just to show you that there are no refunds or returns in digital products. Will not work on tablet returns. Here, due to the nature of this product, digital downloads are not eligible for refunds. As I said, guys, please message me to seek any clarifications before you proceed with the purchase. So as I said, guys, there are no refunds or returns in digital products. So let's proceed to the spying tool we are going to use to see what's working and what's not on Etsy. So here let's wait for it to load. This is the platform, it's called Everbee, and let's go to sign up for free. And here wait for it to load. It will take a little bit of time, and while we are waiting, let's take the name of this shop to paste it in this tool to spy on that shop, to see how much money they are making, what are the products that are working currently in that niche. So here let's go to the shop analyzer. It's not product analytics, we want the shop analyzer. Let's wait for it to load. And here, reviews for this item, more than 70,000 reviews for this shop, 116 review for the item, just to see if this spy tool is accurate or not. Let's wait for it to load. Want to go to the shop analytics. It's still loading. Shop analyzer, sorry, I need to go to the shop analyzer. So here we are in the shop analyzer. Here let's type the name of the shop, click on search shop, and we will be able to spy on what this shop is doing currently. We will see the time that this shop was created, the total sales that they have, and here we have their products in here. If you go to the right, you will see their total shop sales, more than 200,000 sales, which is insane. And here we have the shop's age, 97 months, so that's a long time. And here, let's choose a product in here to see, to spy on. So here we have editable tags, instant download. I think this is the product we are looking for, even though it's not the same product, but still it's something like it. So here, let's check this product to see the details. Editable tags, instant download, and here it was listed 19 months ago, and the reviews 116, same thing that we have in here, 116. That means if you always to know the amount of sales that they are making just from the reviews, always multiply the reviews by 2, which is 238 sales in total. And here we have, they have 12 sales per month from this product only. And if you can just do the math, $7 times 12 will give you the amount of money they are making per month with this one product only. So guys, I think you get the idea now. You know now that these products are working. They are not just listed in here for fun, they are making money with them. And here I'm going to take you to the platform where you will be able to create products like that, which is canva.com. So here, let's wait for this platform to load, and we will go to the search and we will just type digital printable gift tags, and we will have a lot of templates to use to create our own product. So here, let's wait for it to complete loading. Here, give it a few seconds. So here you can see a lot of digital printable gift tags. You can just take tags and add your touch to these tags and then list it on Etsy, and you will be able to make a lot of money with it. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you understand this method. Just make sure, as I said, to see what's trending and what's not, and always work on what's trending. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.